Our project is a collaboration between the Pennsylvania State University, Senai Cimatec em Salvador, and Universidade Federal de Minas Gerais.
O Senai Cimatec é uma instituição singular. Ela é um centro universitário de excelência e, ao mesmo tempo, um centro de tecnologia e inovação também com grande excelência. E certamente que parcerias, tanto no país como no exterior, são a chave para o avanço tanto do centro universitário quanto da parte de pesquisa e inovação.
The project will be divided in 3 phases. In the first phase, we'll use computational tools to improve the design of amphibious aircraft for Amazon Rainforest operation.
A fluidodinâmica computacional é utilizada para reduzir o número de experimentos necessários em etapas iniciais, reduzindo custo e tempo, deixando os experimentos mais para etapas finais de validação e confirmação de soluções.
In the second phase, we will manufacture models to be tested at the wind tunnels at UFMG.
I'm Eduardo Bauser, Professor of Aircraft Design. For the past 50 years, we've been designing, manufacturing, and test flying aircraft. Our facilities include the Aerodynamics Laboratory, which you may see now.
For the third phase, we'll analyze the results from the wind tunnel tests, improve the geometry even further, and perform new wind tunnel tests, this time at Penn State. 6 students will be involved in the project, 2 from each institution. The Penn State students will spend spring break in Brazil, helping with the experimental campaign at UFMG and experiencing Brazilian culture. The Brazilian students will spend a month at Penn State in July 2023, working alongside their American peers and experiencing life at an American university. This project is a great opportunity to start building a relationship between Penn State and Brazil, and we're looking forward to working together.